Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a Bonk update today. So Bonk has been a little bit manipulated. We had one pattern here, so we broke out of this little bit of sideways movement, and instead of going to the main technical target, even though there was a break, a successful retest, you're trying to go to the target, and then eventually in the middle you started to kind of drop to the downside one more time. So Bonk has been a little bit painful, but what has happened now is something I want to talk about in this video. So what happened is that we have find ourselves a little bit of a first bottom, second bottom, and a third bottom. So we actually have a triple bottom pattern right now. So this triple bottom is on the 1 hour time frame, and of course when you have triple bottoms and double bottoms, you probably will be getting a neckline. So the new neckline right now, in my opinion, is going to be this right over here. So it's a little bit of a descending neckline on the 1 hour time frame. So if you do end up breaking above this descending neckline, then we should be good to go, and we should be good to go from the top to the bottom here, and we could actually be looking at 34.79. So one more thing is to check the 4 hour. So let's see what the story on the 4 hour time frame actually is looking at. Okay, so nothing much on the 4 hour either. Let's look at the daily. Okay, so the daily time frame, and what about the EMAs? We're kind of holding the EMA for some days. You can notice that that triple bottom is actually like you're really holding the 55 EMAs, right? So eventually you're trying to cross the 10 and you're getting rejected at the 10 and the 20, and it does look like these 10 and 20 EMAs are going to come down. Let me actually zoom in so that you can see clearly one more time. So yeah, zooming in here, you can see the EMAs, right? The red, so this red here, the yellow, and then the blue one. So if all of this actually combine together, so we could actually be looking at 16th of August. So in the next 3 days, we should look at a squeeze here. And this squeeze is going to force Bonk to pop and move somewhere. So where's the move going to be? We do not know, but if we're having a triple bottom on the 1 hour time frame, we should actually be good to pop to the upside, and we should be looking at the EMA squeezing again like this, and then you pop up, and then you start to go a little bit higher. The EMAs actually start to follow and continue if the market goes down. And I think August is going to be good in my opinion, but let's say it pops to the downside. I think the new stop loss is going to be 22.93. So if you go below 22.93, that could be an alarming situation. Now it's a different story if you do a wick down and then go up. That's a different thing. But if you just do something like go below it, close below 22.89, and then you do something like this, then the EMAs are going to reverse and go to the downside. So in 3 days we should know where the direction is going to be. So today's 13/16. We're going to know. And if you want to keep up to date with what's going to happen in the future, do make sure you're following me. Press the bell when you follow, guys. If you're not going to press the bell, don't follow. Don't bother. You're not going to get my notifications. You will not even know if I posted the channel. So subscribing is not enough. Press the bell, man. So that's it for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.